Alright guys, so here we have the Infinix Zero X Pro, and this is a review of using this mobile after 1 year. It comes with 128 GB of internal storage and 8 GB of RAM, which is extendable. We have 128 GB of internal storage, 8 GB of RAM, 4500 mAh battery, standard Android 11. The front cam is 16 megapixel dual flash and the rear cam is 108 megapixel. It consists of 3 cameras, one with 8 and the other one with also 8. Triple camera with quad flashlight. It consists of Helio G95 and the resolution we have is 1080 x 2400 with AMOLED 120Hz Full HD display. So let's open it now. Okay. The standard fast charging cable with the pin opener, mobile SIM ejector tool, 45-watt fast charger, so as I've told you that we have used this mobile for more than 1 year. We have applied a protective casing. So it says 60x optical zoom. The camera is of 108 megapixels. Okay, so this is a mirror glass finish. And it has an on-screen fingerprint reader. The refresh rate of the screen is compared to Redmi Note 10 Pro is good. The 120Hz refresh rates response good. The touch response and the haptic feed response is also good. You can compare it to the Redmi Note 10 Pro. The latest Android update is very appealing. The Google integration within this mobile is also good. It has a power button with a volume button, and this is a moonshine back glass. Infinix Zero X Pro was launched at around $300. It is a mid-range phone with excellent performance. The camera light sensor doesn't work too good at around night times. Okay, so here we are testing the front flash, which is an amazing feature in this cell phone. And now this is the moonshot mode. This is the super moon mode. It is just available in this Infinix Zero X Pro. So thank you so much for watching this review of the Infinix Zero X Pro. If you like it, please subscribe and share it with your friends. Thanks.